Hi guys, my name is Apurv and I'm a principal at Healy Consultants Group, and today I'm going to discuss a recent Oman engagement that we completed for one of our clients. The client was set up in Oman and was trying to open a bank account for the past 6 months, but unfortunately was not being able to progress with that. So the client contacted us and asked us if we can leverage our local connections in Oman and help them get the bank account. Typically, Healy Consultants does not take up similar engagements. We provide end-to-end assistance to our clients throughout the process of the bank account opening, from introducing the application to getting the bank account open. But because this was a long-term client, we agreed to assist. We put in a success fee on timely opening of the account, and the client agreed to it. Within 2 weeks of taking over the engagement, Healy Consultants Group, through its connections and leveraging the local team that we bring to the table, were able to open the bank account for the client, and the client was very happy to pay us the success fee and assist and engaged us to assist him with VAT registration and multiple other registrations in Oman for their business. Opening a bank account in Oman can be done remotely as well by using documents as apostille and notarizations. But it is preferred that if the bank signatory can visit Oman once for a face-to-face meeting, that's the most expedited way to open the bank account. But yeah, we can assist with remote account opening also. We have very good connections with, let's say, banks like Bank of Oman or National Bank of Oman or Bank Muscat, and we can help our clients open bank accounts there. Again, as very evidently visible compared to other companies where they can assist with services, but their time could be anywhere between 3 months to 6 months. This is the difference that we bring in, because we have very good ground network in many different jurisdictions, and the experience we have of handling these engagements that separates us from anyone in this domain. If you have any such queries or questions, or are looking to expand your business, feel free to like, comment or subscribe on our channels, and our team would be very happy to take it up for you.